Welcome to Big Rig Bonanza, the trivia game where you either know your diesel from your DEF or you're just another four-wheeler hogging up the left lane. We're about to shift gears into our first question, so buckle up, Buttercup. It's about to get bumpy. What's the average weight of a fully loaded semi-truck? Is it 10,000 pounds, 80,000 pounds, or 200,000 pounds? How long can a truck driver legally drive without taking a break? Is it 8 hours, 11 hours, or 20 hours? It's the most common freight item shipped by trucks. Is it electronics, food and groceries, or vehicles? Ooh, looks like somebody didn't read their driver's manual. Don't worry, this isn't your CDL test, but if it were, you'd already be walking home. Next question coming up. But first, if you haven't hit that like button, I'll assume you drive with your blinker on for 10 miles. And while you're at it, smash that subscribe and share button too. It's not like you're doing anything important anyway right now. Anyway, let's roll on. Why do truckers sometimes drive in the middle lane? Is it to block traffic, for smoother driving, or to rest? What does reefer mean in trucking? Does it mean a cooler truck, a refrigerator trailer, or a slow driver? What's a CB radio mostly used for in trucking? Entertainment, communicating with other truckers, or weather forecasts? Why do truckers leave their trucks idling when they're parked? To save fuel, to keep the cab warm or cool, or to make noise? Another question down, and another chance for you to prove that you're more than just a steering wheel holder. Remember, this isn't just a game, it's a way of life. A life where you hit like, smash subscribe, and share so hard your phone screen cracks. Don't let me down, rookie. Next up, question number 8. What's the nickname for Interstate 80? The fun highway, the big road, or the backbone of America? Why do truckers flash their lights to other drivers? Is it to say hi, to let them know it's safe to merge, or to complain? What's the legal height limit for most trucks in the U.S.? Is it 10 foot, 13 foot 6 inches, or 15 feet? What does Jake brake refer to? A brake system that slows the engine, an emergency handbrake, or a fake brake? Why do truckers avoid driving in the left lane? It's slower, it's illegal in many states, or to avoid accidents. What's the biggest challenge for truckers during winter? Flat tires, black ice, or road boredom? How much diesel fuel can the average semi-truck hold? 50 gallons, 300 gallons, or 1,000 gallons? What's a deadhead trip? Driving with no load, a slow journey, or a dangerous route? What's the purpose of a weigh station for trucks? To rest drivers, to check truck weight and compliance, or to sell permits? What does OTR stand for in trucking? Over the road, off the road, or on the run? What's the average annual mileage for a truck driver? 25,000 miles, 100,000 miles, or 500,000 miles? And that's a wrap for this episode of the Big Rig Bonanza. If you nailed it, congrats! You're the king of the road. If not, well, you know, there's always Uber. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Ramblin' Road. If you don't, I'll send your location to the nearest DOT officer. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up.